Welcome to another episode of Cryodos Maintenance Management, the go-to podcast for all things maintenance and asset management. I'm Bruce, your host, and today we have a fascinating discussion lined up on how to implement total productive maintenance (TPM) processes through a CMMS. With us is Alex, a seasoned expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. I'm excited to be here and delve into this important topic.
Let's kick things off by understanding what total productive maintenance is all about. Alex, can you give our listeners a brief overview of TPM?
Absolutely, Bruce. TPM is a comprehensive approach to maintenance that aims to achieve perfect production. That means zero breakdowns, zero defects, and zero accidents. The core idea is to engage all employees in maintaining equipment and improving processes to maximize the efficiency of production. TPM covers everything from preventive maintenance, autonomous maintenance, to training and education.
So, it's about getting everyone involved in keeping the equipment running smoothly, right?
Exactly. It's a team effort. Operators, maintenance personnel, and management all play a role in TPM. It's not just about fixing things when they break, it's about preventing issues before they occur.
Now, let's bring CMMS into the picture. How does a computerized maintenance management system fit into the TPM framework?
CMMS plays a critical role in implementing TPM by automating and streamlining maintenance processes. It helps organizations schedule and track preventive maintenance, manage work orders, and ensure that all maintenance activities are documented. With a CMMS, you can easily monitor equipment performance and identify trends that might indicate potential issues, allowing you to take proactive measures.
It sounds like CMMS is the backbone that supports the TPM processes by providing real-time data and insights.
Exactly, Bruce. A CMMS helps in managing the life cycle of equipment by keeping track of all maintenance activities, which is essential for TPM. It ensures that preventive maintenance is carried out on time and helps in reducing equipment downtime, which is a key goal of TPM.
Let's dive into the practical side of things. How can organizations implement TPM processes through a CMMS?
Great question, Bruce. The first step is to digitize your maintenance processes by integrating a CMMS into your operations. Start by inputting all your equipment data, maintenance schedules, and work orders into the CMMS. This forms the foundation. Next, set up preventive maintenance schedules based on manufacturer recommendations and your own operational data. The CMMS will automate notifications, ensuring that maintenance tasks are performed on time. Autonomous maintenance is another key aspect of TPM, where operators are trained to perform basic maintenance tasks. Through a CMMS, you can track these tasks and provide operators with step-by-step guides, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of human error. Finally, continuous improvement is vital in TPM. Use the analytics and reporting features of your CMMS to monitor KPIs such as mean time between failures and mean time to repair. This data helps in identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your maintenance strategies.
So, it's about leveraging the capabilities of the CMMS to not only schedule and track maintenance, but also to empower operators and continuously improve processes?
Precisely, Bruce. The CMMS is a tool that makes TPM more effective and manageable by centralizing all maintenance-related data and automating processes that would otherwise be time-consuming and prone to error.
Implementing TPM through a CMMS sounds like a game changer, but what are some common challenges organizations might face during this transition?
There are a few challenges, Bruce. First, there's often resistance to change. Employees might be accustomed to manual processes and hesitant to adopt a new system. To overcome this, it's essential to provide proper training and demonstrate the benefits of the CMMS. Another challenge is data accuracy. For a CMMS to be effective, the data entered must be accurate and up to date. This requires discipline and regular audits. Lastly, integration with existing systems can be tricky. Ensuring that your CMMS integrates seamlessly with other software, like ERP systems, is crucial for a smooth implementation.
And how can organizations address these challenges?
Communication is key. Engage all stakeholders early in the process and make sure they understand how the CMMS will make their jobs easier. Regular training sessions and ongoing support can help ease the transition. For data accuracy, Set clear guidelines and assign responsibility for data entry and maintenance. Finally, work closely with your team or CMMS provider to ensure proper integration with other systems.
This has been an incredibly insightful discussion, Alex. Implementing TPM through a CMMS clearly offers substantial benefits, but it also requires careful planning and execution. Before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts or tips for our listeners?
Just one key takeaway: Bruce, start small and scale up. Implement TPM processes through your CMMS in phases, starting with the most critical equipment. This allows you to learn and adapt as you go, ensuring long-term success.
Great advice, Alex. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
My pleasure, Bruce. Thanks for having me.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to this episode of Cryodo's Maintenance Management. If you found today's discussion helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with your network. Until next time, keep your maintenance proactive and your assets productive.